Hey guys, me Shajon and welcome to DENIMITE. As you know, it's April, which means summer is knocking on its door. During summer, it's very difficult to dress sharply, but yet in a comfortable way. But don't worry, because in this video, I've got you covered. Here are a few outfit ideas from this DENIMITE style guide.
Casual outfits. These outfits sit right in the smart casual sweet spot. Wear this when you want to look put together without sacrificing comfort. Fit and material choices are the most important considerations here. Both the pants and the shirt should be made from breathable cotton and be cut slim to maintain a tailored figure.
You can wear basic t-shirts like this or handle with minimum graphics. Try wearing lighter colors when it's sunny outside, as it reflects heat. For your pants, wear dark or light wash jeans, different colored chinos, or even trousers with or without checks and pattern. For accessories, wear a sleek watch, get a cool sunglass, or even wear a new bracelet if you want. For your footwear, wear some casual or athletic sneakers. Replace your t-shirt with a shirt like this, or layer over your t-shirt to add structure to your outfit. You can go for pattern and floral shirts as well. You can even wear shorts if the weather is too hot. Now for the smart casual outfits. These outfits are great if you are the kind of guy who likes to dress up and look dapper. Since it's summer, dressing up can be challenging. Wear your polo t-shirts with any chinos, but instead of wearing sneakers, wear loafers or even formal shoes. This will elevate your style further. For a bit of formal look, wear with dress shirt tucked in, or even with a tie, and add a vest if you feel a bit fancy. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and thumbs up our Facebook page. Link of our websites is in the description below.